Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from Simmons Essentials. I want to bring you another original design. This is the Ivanhoe knot. Let's go ahead and get started. My left side again is at my belt line as usual. We're just going to come over here. We're going to put a fold in here. I'm going to do a mocha pinch for this one, but you can do whatever you want. I'm going to come over here, bring it around here, come around, I'm going to come up and over. I'm going to fold it in half. I'm going to come around again, come around again, and then I'm going to come back. I'm going to unfold it. I'm going to come down here like this. Okay, so this is what we have so far. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to come across here. I'm going to fold it like so. Come up and over like this. Then I'm just going to do this right here and end it. So there you have the Ivanhoe. Let me cinch that up. So again, on your side, my friends, you're fearfully and wonderfully made. Again, remember to follow me on Instagram at SimmonsEssentials. Thank you for watching. Peace and God bless.